The first person who saw it ran away in terror. They thought it was a monster from the depths of hell. The second came closer, holding their breath. And the third simply put a bridle on it and made it carry their firewood. This is a story about how you personally turn yourself from a great wonder into work livestock. Welcome to the trap of the 16th law of power. Jean de La Fontaine described this bug in our system centuries ago. What is unusual inspires awe. What becomes ordinary inspires contempt. When you are always available, always ready to help, and always here, your market status drops to 0. You become like air, essential, but completely invisible. Until you disappear, no one understands your value. In marketing, this is called market saturation. When there is too much of a product, it becomes cheap. When you are too accessible to your boss, clients, or partners, you become cheap. Architects know this. Respect grows in silence. Create scarcity. Disappear from the radar. Let them feel what it's like when you are not there. From afar, everything looks like horror and a vicious conspiracy. Up close, it's not worth a word. Do not allow others to bridle you through your excessive availability. Learn to leave on time so that your return is awaited like a celebration.